Zhangjiagang City, Xinmao Drink Machinery was established in 2005 as a comprehensive manufacturing and trading company. We have been in manufacturing and developing machinery for water, juice, carbonated drink, beer, and other various kinds of beverage, and are specialized in producing all kinds of beverage equipment production line. We are one of excellent enterprises in making full set machine of water and juice, gathering development, designing, production, technology service, and marketing. Our company performed quality management according to CE and ISO 9001 certification. Also carries on the modern enterprises management system to execute quality control during the processes of producing. Wins customers, recognition by the high-quality products and services. We are famous for superior quality, competitive prices, first-class craftworks, safe package, and prompt delivery. Therefore, we can fully satisfy your demands. We have a large customer base, so our products sell well in Middle East, Russia, Asia, and Africa markets. Except our own products, we provide OEM services and accept customized order as well. Our products are popular in overseas markets. Beside, we will supply much better products with diversified designs and professional services. We sincerely welcome friends from all over the world to visit our company and cooperate with us on the basis of long-term mutual benefits. We are looking